Harvey, new toy. Ready? Fetch! Go get it. Go get it. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? Go get it. Come on, Harvey. What's wrong? Go get it. Harvey, come on. Come on. What's wrong? Harvey, it's just a ball. Come on. Harvey, it's not gonna hurt you. You can play with it. Come on. Look. I'm playing with it. I'm playing with it. Come on. Come on. Harvey, it's okay.
Harvey with every new toy.
Only plastic toys though. With the fluffy toys, it definitely goes right at it. Harvey, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. I don't think he likes plastic toys.
Oh, you got it.
You got it.
In your mouth.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you got it.
You conquered them all.
See, it's okay. What's he doing?
You play soccer.
There you go. There you go. Just warming up to it now. Soon we can fetch.